If finalized, today's announcement would amount to the largest deregulatory action in the history of the United States.
So what we're hearing from the administrator of the Environmental Protection Agency, Lee Zeldin, is that his agency is going to rescind a finding from 2009 called the endangerment finding. Now, this finding is based on science and the law, and it, in essence, is the simple conclusion that greenhouse gases endanger human health and welfare, and therefore EPA is obligated to regulate them under the Clean Air Act. So this foundational finding back in 2009 has been the basis for all of EPA's subsequent regulations to reduce greenhouse gas emissions from coal plants, to reduce CO2 emissions from the tailpipes of your vehicles and start to make those vehicles more efficient. All of those regulations trace back to the endangerment finding.
That we at EPA must choose to both protect the environment and grow the economy. That it's not a binary choice.
So they've really set up this false binary that somehow regulation only costs money and deregulating saves money. But all of the evidence shows that's just not true. EPA has done many studies over the years showing that its regulations under the Clean Air Act provide significantly more benefits to American public health in terms of preventing hospitalizations, missed work days. These benefits far exceed any estimated cost of the regulated industry to comply. One of the most difficult things about climate change is that greenhouse gas emissions are cumulative. And so by rescinding these standards, it's really shifting the trajectory of where we want to go. We want a clean energy future. We want renewables. We want cleaner vehicles. Not only do these save consumers money in terms of utility rates and fuel costs, it also protects our own public health and well-being.